Welcome to Foodtastic. Today we are going to see 5 varieties of non-veg gravy for chapati. If you want particular recipe, then click the timestamp in the description. For mobile users, click the timestamp in the comment section. Let's get into the video. First we will see white chicken gravy. For this, take 20 grams of garlic and 20 grams of ginger in a mixie jar. With this, add a green chili, 2 sliced onions, half teaspoon of cumin seeds and half teaspoon of peppercorn. Grind it nicely. Next we will take 20 soaked cashew nuts without water. With this, add quarter cup of curd and grind it. Now heat a fry pan and add 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of ghee. Once the oil is heated, add 1 small cinnamon, 1 star anise, 2 cloves, 1 cardamom. Saute it around 1 minute. Now we will pour the ginger garlic onion mixture into this. Saute it until its smell goes away. Close the pan and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's add 2 green chilies into this. Then add 250 grams of clean chicken pieces with this, and mix it well. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt. Saute it for 5 minutes. Then add cashew nuts paste which we have prepared already. Add 1 cup of water, approximately 250 milliliters. You can add water as per your requirement. Close the pan and cook around 10 minutes. Now check whether the chicken pieces are cooked well. If not, then cook 5 more minutes, or until the chicken pieces are cooked well. Finally we sprinkle some crushed dried fenugreek leaves and 1 tablespoon of cream. Now the white chicken gravy is ready. Next we will see minced mutton gravy. Take 200 grams of shallots and mince it like this. Heat the pressure cooker and add 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add some cinnamon, 2 cloves. Fry for few seconds. Now add 1 green chili, 1 dried red chili, minced shallots, one sprig of curry leaves. Saute it until the shallots are turned translucent. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it until the raw smell goes away. Let's add 2 chopped tomatoes. With this, add 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. (300 grams of minced mutton. Make sure the mutton is cleaned well. Add a glass of water, and mix it well. Now close the cooker, and let it blow 3 to 4 whistles. If you see the water inside the cooker, then cook until the water dries out. Wow, the minced mutton gravy is ready. Next one is delicious butter chicken. I have taken 300 grams of boneless chicken for this. Let's marinate it. Pour a quarter cup of curd. With this, add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 pinches of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix them together. Close with the lid and refrigerate for 1 hour. After 1 hour, heat a fry pan, then pour 3 tablespoons of butter. Wait until it melts. Then fry the marinated chicken pieces into this. Fry them until it turns to brown. Once it is fried, transfer this into the plate. Now heat a fry pan, pour 3 teaspoons of oil. Add 3 chopped onions. Saute it until it turns to transparent and its edges to brown. Now add 6 chopped medium tomatoes. Now add 3 cloves, 1-inch size cinnamon, and 1 cardamom. Saute it. Now add 20 soaked cashew nuts into this. Better to soak the nuts before marinating the chicken. Now saute it until the tomatoes are sautéed well. If the tomatoes not sautéed well, the gravy will taste like a tomato chutney. If you use country tomato, then use just 4 tomatoes. Now transfer this into the blender jar. Grind it as nice paste. Now heat a fry pan. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. Now add half chopped onion and saute it. Now add half teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves. Crush it before adding. Now add ginger garlic paste and saute it until its smell goes. Once sautéed, then add tomato onion paste into this. Add little amount of water as per your requirement. I have added approximately 1½ glass of water. Now add a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 pinch of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar and the remaining of marinated batter. Mix it well. Close it and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add the fried chicken pieces. Once boiling, sprinkle some dried fenugreek leaves. Now add 1/4 cup of cream over this and mix it well. buttered chicken is ready now. Let's see the next variety, green mutton gravy. For this, take 7 to 8 garlic cloves in the mixie jar. With this, add 15 to 20 grams of ginger, 3 green chilies, half cup of mint leaves, half cup of coriander leaves, grind it like nice paste like this. Heat the pressure cooker, add 3 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add 1 inch-sized cinnamon, 2 cloves, 1 star anise. Saute it for a minute. Now add 2 sliced onions with this. Saute it until it turns to brown color. Now add 1 dried chili, 1 sprig of curry leaves, 400 grams of clean mutton pieces. Saute it around 5 minutes. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Cook it around 10 minutes. Now add the green chutney into this. Pour required water. Close the pressure cooker and let it blow 7 to 8 whistles. Take some cashew nuts in blender jar. With this, add 2 or 3 tablespoons of curd and grind it nicely. Now the mutton pieces are cooked well. Now switch on the stove and add the cashew nuts paste. Then cook around 5 minutes. Spicy green mutton gravy is ready now. Next variety is tandoori chicken gravy. For this, I have taken 4 chicken leg pieces. Make some slits over the chicken flesh. For marination, let's take a 1/4 cup of curd in a bowl. With this, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of tandoori chicken masala, and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Mix it well. Now poke the chicken leg pieces with the help of fork. Add the leg pieces in this and coat it well. Refrigerate it for 3 hours. After 3 hours, let's take a grill rack and keep all the leg pieces. Grill it at 170 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Take it out after 15 minutes. Flip the leg pieces and grill it at 170 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes again. If you don't have the oven, just shallow fry the leg pieces for 50%. Now keep the grill rack over the gas burner and cook for 15 minutes in medium flame. Flip it and cook for 15 minutes. Let's make the gravy. For this, pour 3 teaspoons of oil in a fry pan. Add 1 bay leaf. Add 2 finely chopped onion and saute it. Now add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and saute it until its smell goes. Now add 2 chopped tomatoes. Saute it. While sauteing, add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, two pinches of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of chicken masala. Mix it well and saute it. Add the remaining of marinating batter if you have. Now pour a little amount of water as per your consistency. Close it and cook for 10 minutes. Now add the grilled chicken pieces and keep it for 5 minutes. Tandoori chicken gravy is ready now. Please try these all at your home. If you like the recipes, please comment which recipe you like most. Share the video, like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.